Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming Channel. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky on day 3 here. And once again I'm doing a video from my phone because I forgot to bring a critical piece of equipment along when I first came down here. So I can't upload from my camera while I'm down here. So I'll do another phone video for you, and then I can show you guys this right away. This is the Kubota display. They have displays in 2 different parts of the building. This side is more the excavating and construction and lawn and garden type stuff. There's mini excavator that I just showed you, skid loader, a couple side by sides, or 3 of them actually, 4. Here's a few zero-turn lawnmowers. Tractor type lawnmower. And here's a few more skid loaders. A few more zero-turn lawnmowers. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay with all the talking in the background throughout the building. Okay, so there's the excavating and lawn and garden side of things, and then I'll show you the bigger tractors next. Alright, here's the rest of the Kubota display. I guess they do have some smaller tractors up here. Compact tractors. Ignore that announcement. There's a rear mount lawnmower. So now the tractors start getting a little bit bigger. Sorry about the shaking. That's what happens when I'm forced to use my phone rather than the camera. That has something to do with it. Tremors act up a little quicker. Here's a disc mower hooked onto a M5 series tractor. And they will show you the different horsepower ranges and stuff that you can get. Like I showed you on that M4 series a little bit ago. Yeah, here's Probably one of the biggest models. M6 series. And they also have a disc bind here. Wheel rake. Round baler. Oh, here's an M7 Kubota, which is a little bit bigger. There's obviously a number after that. And this is the biggest one that they have on display. Yeah, the Case International booth next door is playing music, so I'm trying to stay away from that as much as I can. A little merchandise booth. Oh, here's a cedar. Land Pride, not Kubota though, even though it's on Kubota's display. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of showing you what all Kubota brought to the National Farm Machinery Show this year. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate that. Be sure to hit the like button and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And after you subscribe, then you can scroll to the right and click on the bell, and then you'll get notified whenever a new video is posted. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.